Canva today, and what I'm going to do is show you how to remove certain objects which are in your image. Let's say there's something in the image that you don't want to have and you want to remove it. There's a very quick tool in Canva to help you remove these unwanted images in your picture. So here we are. I've got the image here loaded into Canva. Just copy and paste or upload yours in Canva, and then what you want to do is click the image and then press edit image. And then on the left here it says magic eraser. So what you want to do is press magic eraser, and then from here you can just select around the objects that you want to remove. So these people in the swimming pool, I want to remove them. There is also this click option which kind of detects certain parts of your image which you may want to have removed, and then you just click over them. So I'll show you how to do that first, and then you can refine it later on with the brush tool. So I've pressed click, it's detected those images, so you can see I can highlight over these people and it shows up as slightly purple. So we're going to click each one and then hopefully it will remove it quite cleanly. Perfect, so they're all gone, but there is still some kind of shadow and reflections here which I want to remove. The click function here won't define those because they're not like very obvious. With very obvious image borders, it's kind of blended into the pool. So for this, we're going to use the brush tool just to kind of smooth that over. So let's just kind of use the brush tool to click over these unwanted shadows and reflections. And there we go. So the image does look a lot cleaner now compared to the last one. We've removed those shadows and reflections, and I think overall the image looks quite clean. You can tell there is a little bit of distortion in the image from where you've removed those people, but the thing is, I'm using this image and I'll be editing it a lot further, so I'll be putting things in the areas where these shadows are, like other shapes and diagrams. So for this purpose it suits me quite well. So this is how I remove certain parts of my image in my editing process, and I'll be using this image for a thumbnail. But that's everything for today's video. If you have any questions about this, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.